Hey there! Are you struggling with downloading Facebook videos? You're not alone. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to easily download Facebook videos on any device. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open Facebook. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Facebook website, www.facebook.com. Step 2. Find the video. Log in to your Facebook account. Navigate to the page or profile where the video is located. Scroll through your feed or visit the specific page/profile to find the video you want to download. Step 3. Copy the video URL. Right-click on the video you wish to download. Select Show Video URL or Copy Video URL from the context menu. The video URL will be copied to your clipboard. Step 4. Open a video downloader website. Open a new tab or window in your web browser. Search for a reliable Facebook video downloader website. There are several options available, such as Getfid, www.getfvid.com, fdown, www.fbdown.net, or savefrom.net, en.savefrom.net. Choose any one of these websites and open it. Step 5. Paste the video URL. On the video downloader website, you will find a text box or field where you can paste the video URL. Right-click in the text box and select Paste from the context menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, or Command+V on Mac, to paste the URL. Step 6. Start the download. After pasting the video URL, click on the Download or Start button next to the text box. The website will process the video URL and generate download links. Step 7. Choose the video quality and format. Once the download links are generated, you will see options for video quality and format. Select the desired quality and format for your video. Common options include SD, standard definition, HD, high definition, or even specific file formats like MP4 or AVI. Step 8. Download the video. Click on the download button or link associated with the chosen quality and format. Your browser will start downloading the video file to your computer's default download location. The download progress will be displayed in your browser's download manager. Step 9. Locate the downloaded video. Once the download is complete, open your computer's File Explorer or Finder. Navigate to the default download location or the folder where you saved downloaded files. Look for the video file you just downloaded. It is usually saved with the name provided by the video downloader website or with the original video's title. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded a video from Facebook. Remember to respect copyright laws and only download videos that you have the rights to or are publicly available for downloading.